Viewers, in our series on research methodology and research writing, today I will be talking about how you write a report and what a report is all about. I'm Dr. Pranav, a public health scientist. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and share with fellow MPH and public health professionals. So, a report is a record. Having said that, I would say a report is anchored in past. If we say proposal, proposal is anchored in future. So when you make a report, it is a kind of lekha chokha, a kind of documentation of all that you have been able to achieve, all you have done. For example, suppose you have got 100 crores for implementing a maternal health program in a district populated by tribal population. Now for the tribal mothers, to start with, you came up with proposal, what kind of money will be required, what kind of infrastructure will be required, what kind of manpower will be required, and what kind of result with all the infrastructure provided you are going to deliver to the funding agency. At the end of this whole thing, you come up with a comprehensive report. In between also, every week you will be having a small report that is about the achievement of the week. Every month you will be coming up with what you have been able to achieve in past month. Alongside that, a very critical point to understand is, in the report, you also mention what are the challenges being faced by the implementing agency. Suppose you are finding that you wanted to start your program in December and the tribal people had got a holiday season in December. We are having fun gathering, family festivals, dance, music, but they had least interested in any maternal health education program that you wanted to start. Now your whole 1 month you haven't been able to do anything, but unfortunately you had proposed that at the end of 1 month you will be connecting and you will be implementing the program with at least 100 family. Now in the report you have missed the target, the deadline for a month, which you will be mentioning, and also mentioning what were the regions, so that the next time in next cycle of implementation, if someone is coming up with a program proposal, they will be considering the local custom, the local festival. So it provides what you have been able to achieve in a certain duration for which you are creating the report. It's also giving insight for newer cycle of implementation. What were the challenges? What things worked and what things did not work? Based on what things worked and what things did not work, we always think that our next program will be planned in a much better way. So that way, it's like study of history. It provides what happened and it also provides insight into what's need for learning, where we can improve, what things work which we should do in further better way. So all the positive things which worked, which we need to do further in our next programs, what things we did not work, which we need to stop doing, and what we have been able to achieve, everything is there in the summary report. The format of report, some next lecture I will be discussing. Thanks for listening to me. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed.